Why do people always say, hot take, and then say something everyone, including my plushes, agree with? A hot take is a controversial opinion that not many people agree with, not a sentence starter. So no, thinking it's rude to hate on new ranters isn't a hot take. That's all, goodbye. Spring rolls. I need to make sure my oven didn't blow up.